In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to pair a Bluetooth gaming controller to your Amazon Fire tablet. And for this example, I'm going to be using an Xbox One controller. So on the home page of your Amazon Fire tablet, go ahead and bring down the quick settings. And then in the upper right-hand corner, click that little gear icon. And then over on the left-hand side of the screen, click where it says wireless and Bluetooth. And then go down to where it says Bluetooth and select that option. And you're going to want to make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. Right now, mine is turned off, so I'm going to click this little switch over here on the right-hand side of the screen, and that's going to turn Bluetooth on. Now we're going to go down to where it says pair a Bluetooth device, and click on that. And now it's going to be looking for all the Bluetooth devices in your area, so you're going to make sure you turn the power on with your controller. And then for my Xbox One controller, I'm going to hold down the little pairing button. And now you can see that an Xbox wireless controller pops up. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And now it's going through the process of pairing to our Bluetooth controller. And then under paired devices, it now says that our Xbox wireless controller is connected, and also our controller went from blinking to being solidly on and paired. So that's how you can tell specifically with an Xbox One controller if you've accomplished pairing your device to your Amazon Fire tablet. So that's going to wrap up this video, guys. Thanks for stopping on in. Subscribe for more, and I hope to see you back here for future videos.